So today I want to share with you something really cool inside Magnific, which is Flows. So Flows basically is a way to make your process inside Spaces repeatable. It's a tool that allows you to make reusable some sort of system that you have made with all of the nodes that you have available inside Spaces. So what's really cool about this is that you can share the flows with anyone via Spaces, and it becomes reusable for you, for your team, and even if you're just practicing or creating new techniques, this is a perfect way to save it and don't forget about it. So I want to show you how to use it. And it's a very simple use case for product photography via AI image generation. And the cool part is that it really becomes reusable. My name is Gabriela. I'm a photographer, filmmaker, and director, and I create AI content for anyone to learn how to use it and apply it to your creative process. So let's go ahead and see how you can use flows to leverage your creative process. So basically what you want to do, I'm going to pick these other images that I have right here. And I will just start calling the assistant. And then I will copy the information, the prompt I gave it over here. So keep in mind that if it's like a product flow, you have to specify about your brand. So in this case, I'm asking for a list of 5 different user-generated content shots for the Lash brand. Should feel girly, energetic, e-girl, cosplay, whimsical, gamer girl. And I'm just going to select all of these images and drop them here in the media. And I'm going to select export as list and hit play. As you can see now, we have the list of prompts. Pulse up e-girl, eye selfinium, pink and purple LED. We have all of them here. So now we are going to generate our images. Go ahead and right click and look for GPT-2. I mean, we can also try Nano Banana, any of those, but I want to test it out with this one. I'm going to go for high quality, and I'm going to select the text over here and also bring all those images as references over here. So we're going to go ahead and click play. All the results ready. And they're again very buried and very much into the brand description that I gave to the assistant. So now that we have this ready, I really like this one too, that it's more like a story ready post. So you can really go deep into the description of what you want. And to create this as a flow, we're going to select all of our elements and then click on the create flow icon. Over here, we have our outputs, we have our inputs, and it says that we changed the name. So I already changed the name on each image over here. And I'm going to go ahead and click continue. We can add a cover. So in this case, we can select one of the ones that have been created. So I will add this one over here. Crop the image. Slash UGC. So it's the name of the flow. It's going to be Flash user-generated content creator. You can add it to a project. You can add people. You can allow users to make a remix of the flow. So I'm going to activate that. And you can write a description or just let it. And it will write one for you. And then we click create and wait for a little bit. And yay, we have our flow over here. So how do you run the flow? So to run your flow, we're going to select the images and connect them over here. And then once this is activated, we're going to click in run flow. So if this is for your brand, think how much time this is going to save you to visualize new content creation or to just have new products for your website. So it's just a lot of use cases, but I think overall it can be applied in so many ways. This is just one of them, which is content creation for a brand, but even for your thumbnails or a lot of things, this can be so useful. So thank you to the team in Magnific for creating such an amazing platform with such great updates. I really enjoy how much they care about the user experience as much as the models that they bring in. Okay, so as you can see now, the flow has generated all of the images. So let's take a look. They are very much on the brand that we ask, on the mood. And it's really user ready for social media. It even has all of this text about like a live stream and the little icons, and it's crazy. It really feels ready to use for this brand. It's just a really good use case to see how you can apply it to your business. So if you do use it, just let me know in the comments how. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Gabriela, and if you haven't, please consider subscribing, giving a like, or leaving a comment. Sharing this video also helps. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.